My vines are finally growing back after the winter. Florida's winter, in quote. Here's my chameleon cages. Full of veiled chameleons. Yeah, we got Hazel with us today. See the rain system I've made here. This is where I keep the best of the best. All the cages are totally full. I'm making some more cages too soon as well. You start getting into day geckos. See that big boy back there? He is loving that water right now. What do you think, Hazel? Mangoes?
Yeah.
Yep. Oh yeah, the mangoes are gonna be coming down soon. You got one in your hand there?
Yeah.
Oh, she got a little mango. Oh! Had a little mango. There's another one there.
Oh.
Little mangoes.